So guys, welcome back to my video. In this video we are going to see how we can list our product on eBay. People has been asking me how can we start selling on eBay. You can watch my previous video and then see how you can start eBay dropshipping. But in today's video, we're going to look at how we can actually start listing our product on eBay. Now, the first thing to do is to click on my eBay. All right. So this is my eBay store, and then this is it. And then if you want to list item on your eBay, you click list an item, and it will bring you here. Now it says start listing item. Tell us what you are listing. Now let's talk about let's say you want to start listing about toilet tissue paper. And then we click search. Exactly, we click on it. Let's see if we can. Okay, this one is new, so we select the condition of the item is new, not used, new, continue listing. So the eBay has automatically list it for us, but we can still make some adjustments. It says use what people would search for when looking for your item. Now we can edit this one or we leave it. Evo toilet roll, luxury ply, quitted tissue paper, bulk buy, huge savings. And then we can change the item specific or we leave it like that. We can add more detail to improve the chance of buyers finding the item. I think this one is okay. And we go down, the condition is new, brand Evo, future quitted, and then the color is white. Type toilet tissue roll, number of fly, teleply, and then number of pack. So we are just putting the details, the details so that it can be seen by customers, once they search it. And now it's time to upload the image. So since we don't have the image, we can just go on Google and search for this tissue, for this Evo toilet tissue, tissue paper. Okay, you just copy it. Yeah, this is it. So this is actually what you're looking for. Then what we do is just to screenshot it like this, and we save it. At least we will have to get like up to 5 images. So we've got the images, that is 5, and we go back to our platform and we start uploading the images. So let me explain it here. So you can actually upload from your computer or from your mobile phone. As you can see, you can drag and then drop file here. But for the purpose of this video, I already have the images. So when I was doing it, it's already on my system. So we upload from the computer. Now this is it. I can copy and then paste. So this is it. At least you must upload up to 25 images, but at least 5 is okay. This has given us what we wanted, but let me adjust this so that it will line number in pack. So this is it. Then we can, when we come down to description, you can choose what you want. We just write what, or we can actually use AI and AI is writing and then give us the description of what you wanted. Now AI has given us, you don't need to start cracking your brain, and then we have used AI to do our description. Then when it comes to pricing, the eBay has automatically give us the average price for this item. But when we go back to let's see how much they sell here. Like this one is is 40. Let's see, this is £11. You can sell for £10. Okay, and when we sell for £10, if we sell for £10, okay, let's say the price eBay has given us is the same price. So eBay gave us 11.94. So this is the actual price. If you increase this price, you might be able to struggle with selling it. But let's work with the one that TikTok has given us. Then when it comes to delivery, postage and collection in person. Now collection only, posting only, post or collection in person. That's fine. Let the buyer choose where they get their item. Yeah, and then postage setup, simple delivery, prepared royal mail or every postage, full protection and then yeah. So we choose courier. So our item is up to 2 kg, and then who pays for this delivery? Is it the buyer? The buyer pays. The buyer will pay 3 rates starting from 3.4. Yeah, let the buyer pays this thing, pay for the delivery. Now you see international postage fee applies for international sales. So it's about sending this thing to another country. So if you want your goods or your product to go international, you can as well click activate it here. Then you will choose where you want it to go. Maybe what you want it to go worldwide, including EU, and then so it depends. But there's no point. Okay, we'll include worldwide, and then delivery service, Royal Mail International Standard. All right, so here is delivery details. Now you now choose the dispatch time once you have an order, and how you accept return. So the item location, this is the item location, and then what time are you promising that you will dispatch this thing? The earliest time you can dispatch it. So you have 1 working day, we have 2 working days, we have 3 working days. Okay, same working must be dispatched on the same day that payment is received. So I think 2 working days is okay, so you don't have reasons. Then sellers must accept return if the item doesn't match the so if you choose this one, then you allow time 30 days, then buyer delivery paid by buyer, and that's all. So what next? Do you want eBay to promote this product for you to sell faster? If you want eBay to promote it for you, if you want eBay to help your listing stand out and then sell, then you have to choose the percentage of the total sale you are willing to spend on ads, and pay only when the your promoted item sells. So if you click here, then you now select an ad rate. So this part is crucial. It's all talk about promoting your item. If you want eBay to promote it for you, to run an ad and promote it for you, you pay. You now choose percentage you want to pay. So the ad rate, the amount of ad rate you should determine how fast TikTok, sorry, not TikTok, how fast eBay, push it out to potential customer. So if you want to donate, if you want to add it to charity, you can donate a portion of this to charity of your choice. This is not to, we are here to make our money from now. So listing on eBay is free. Then let's list our item. So once you are done, you just click list. Then we have listed our item. Success, your listing is now live. All right. view listing. So let's go and then see what we've posted. Anyway, here it goes. This is what we've listed, and it's now selling on eBay at 11.99. So this is how to list our item on eBay, and voila, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. So this is how to sell or how to list item on eBay. So if you like what we do, click that button and subscribe, like our video, and follow for more content like this. Thanks for watching.